Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.